Guns, guns, and more guns. I have been around guns since I was a little kid. I love to visit gun stores, not only to buy guns, but also just to browse around and check out the guns. But today I am in this gun store for a different reason. The store manager asked me to deliver one more gun safe they sold to a customer in Miami. Hi folks, it's me again, Waldo, with one more gun safe video. Today's safe to be moved is a 1300-pound Brownie gun safe. It to be delivered into a garage. The safe does not have a flat bottom, it has feet. This makes the move a little more dangerous. If at any given moment any foot falls off the hydraulic jack support blade, an accident can happen. So we need to be vigilant during all the moving. We designed and built special jack support extensions to minimize risk, but still this is always a matter of concern. We use several hydraulic jacks and a winch in the process. The equipment should work hard, not us. We protect the safe completely and wheel it into our truck. We are driving in Miami area, but surprisingly, we got no traffic jams in our way to the unloading. Probably because it's Saturday. The street where we are unloading is calm and wide. It is a beautiful sunny day in our Florida state. Before crossing the garage door, we need to pay attention to the vertical clearance to avoid any damage to the facade. The unloading goes without surprises or incidents. We unwrap and position the safe where requested and voila! Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and God bless America!